Hello viewers. Welcome to Natural and Simple channel. If you are new to us, please like and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get reduced dark spots and acne scars while increasing brightness. This is how to transform your skin complexion in 4 weeks. Peel off one ripe banana and make the pieces. Mash up a medium-sized ripe banana into a smooth paste. Bananas contain nutrients, some of which may help with skin health. These include potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, traces of vitamin A. Bananas are not only the ultimate on-the-go breakfast food, but happen to have incredible beauty benefits when slathered on your face. Bananas are rich in antioxidants, which help to fight free radicals in the body. Applying antioxidants to your skin may help protect from free radical damage. You may also be left with more glowing skin. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Lemon juice is powerful astringent that fights off acne-causing bacteria, lightens skin and reduces discoloration. A few drops of vitamin E oil. The skin benefits of vitamin E. It helps prevent signs of aging. It complements your SPF. It keeps skin hydrated and calm. It reduces sun damage. It can help reduce the appearance of scars. It may help moisturize skin and brightness. Add all the ingredients in a small bowl. Use a fork to finely mash the banana while mixing the ingredients. Apply and leave the mask for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. Keep the mask on for 10-15 minutes. When the mixture has completely dried on your face, then wash off with warm water. Pat dry with a towel, and marvel at the smooth feel of your skin. Apply the moisturizer upwards from your chin to your cheeks and then to your forehead using a gentle circular motion. You'll get an immediate brightening effect, beautiful and clear skin. Thank you for watching. We will see you in next videos.